magnitude estimate is a ballpark estimate. It is a very rough estimate that tells you what place value the answer will land in. For example, you're trying to find out, will my answer be in the millions? Will my answer be in the hundreds? Will my answer be in the tens? Will it be in the tenths? Will it be in the thousandths? That's the kind of estimate that you're making. You want to figure out what ballpark is it in. Let's take a look at this example, and you should write this example into your notes as well. Let's say you have a problem 8 8/10 times 425. Now, when making a magnitude estimate, generally you're going to use numbers that, you're going to round numbers, and you're going to use ones that work well for you. A good hint to follow, though, is that you should round each factor to the greatest place. So, for example, if you look at the number 8 8/10, the greatest place is the ones place here. So we should round it to the ones place, or the nearest whole number. If I'm rounding 8 8/10 to the nearest whole number, I get 9. So I'm going to round that to 9. Now 425, the greatest place is the hundreds place. So I'm going to round this number to the nearest 100, which would be 400. Now, this is what I'm thinking in my head when I'm estimating. I'm thinking 9 times 400 equals, and we know how to multiply with multiples of 10. 9 times 4 is 36, so 9 times 400 would be 3,600 or 3,600. I can see then, by doing this estimate, that my answer should be in the thousands place. And if you take your calculator, or if you write it down on paper and find the real solution to this problem, you will see that the answer does end up 3,000 something. And that's how you make a magnitude estimate. Now normally we would be thinking this in our heads. We don't always write down our estimates. But for practice purposes and so that we can check your work and look at your thinking, you'll often be asked to write down what it was that you were thinking.